Morning, Carol. And it is looking better. So fingers crossed. They should be able to clear some of these backlog of matches, which they've got as a result of yesterday.
They should, John. Do you know what? There have only been 9 times since the start of the Wimbledon Championships that Wimbledon has got away with a completely dry 2 weeks.
That's amazing.
And 6 of those were in the last century, 3 of those were in this century. So it's not unusual to get rain, but yesterday, my goodness, it was
didn't it rain?
It really did. We reckon we had about 15 millimetres of rain or so here at Wimbledon. That's not the wettest though. The wettest was in 1997 night. We'll have some light and patchy rain coming into Northern Ireland. The winds will start to strengthen here as well. Temperatures tonight falling away to between roughly about 7 and 11 degrees. Tomorrow then we start off with a cloud in Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, then in comes the rain to both these areas. The wind's going to strengthen in the west, but away from Scotland and Northern Ireland we're looking at a lot of dry weather. For England and Wales it should remain dry with a small chance of a shower. That is about it, with temperatures creeping up a bit more because we've got a subtle change in the wind direction to more of a southerly, so we could see up to about 23, maybe 24 tomorrow. But as we head on into Friday, well, Friday, we've still got the rain across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland for a time. That will ease away. There'll be a few showers following on behind. England and Wales should stay mostly dry, but it's going to be hotter because we'll have highs up to maybe 29 degrees across parts of Kent, London, and also East Anglia. Then Sal and John, we're looking at sunshine and showers. Saturday's still quite hot and humid, and then on Sunday, more changeable, let's put it that way, and a little bit cooler.
You've got your work cut out.
Shouldn't be as heavy as they were yesterday. Now, as we go through the day and cloud bubbles up and temperatures rise, that in itself could spark off another few showers just here and there. But it is going to feel a little bit warmer. Now, having said that, when the cloud cover comes over, don't forget it will feel cooler. We're still looking at about 20, maybe 21 as our top temperature. Through this evening, many of the showers will fade away, and overnight the cloud will build across Western Scotland and also Northern Ireland. By the end of the night, we'll have some rain coming in across the west of Northern Ireland, and the wind will be starting to strengthen as well. Temperatures tonight falling away roughly to between 7 and 11 degrees. So tomorrow we start off on a mostly dry and a sunny note, but for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland we still will have that cloud, and we're also looking at some of the overnight rain which will get into the west of Northern Ireland, moving in across the rest of Northern Ireland and also Western Scotland. Now, through the day, we will see temperatures rise, obviously, and it's going to be a little bit warmer than it is today. Winds will be stronger through the Irish Sea as well, and our temperatures getting up tomorrow to about 23 degrees at best. But it's after that that we do see it turn hot for many parts of the country, but we still will have that regime of sunshine and showers, and some of them will be heavy and thundery, particularly so on Sunday. Sal and John.
Yeah.
Completed yesterday.
And although the roof is on here in Centre Court, it will be coming off shortly. Today for Wimbledon, it's a day of sunshine and a few showers quite possibly. For all of us, it's a similar forecast. Sunshine and showers are going to be hit and miss. We won't all catch one. John and I will be back with lots more later in the programme. Now, the showers are going to be hit and miss. Many of us will miss them and get away with a dry day, but as we go through the day, you'll find a little bit more cloud bubbling up, and as temperatures rise, that in itself could produce the odd shower. So just here and there, they're going to be lighter and not as long lasting as the rain that we had yesterday. Light breezes as well, with temperatures up to about 19 or 20 degrees. Maybe in the sunshine, we could squeeze out at 21. Now, heading on through the evening and overnight, most of those showers are going to fade. There'll be some clear skies, but through the night the cloud will build across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, and by the end of the night we'll have some light patchy rain coming in across the west of Northern Ireland, and the wind will also start to strengthen. Overnight lows falling away to roughly between 7 and 11 degrees. Tomorrow, most of us will start off dry with some sunshine. We'll have the cloud across Western Scotland and also Northern Ireland, and then we'll have the rain coming in as we go through the course of the day. The wind picking up as well, particularly in the west and particularly through the Irish Sea. But a little bit milder tomorrow with highs up to about 23 degrees. And then Sal and John, it's going to turn hotter as we head towards the latter part of the week, but we still are at risk of some showers, but in between there'll be some sunshine.
Mine doesn't. Mine absolutely doesn't.
Carol's actually does.
Does it?
Carol's garden looks like Wimbledon. It does.
Sal, that's another fiver I owe you. Bouncing up.
It's more than that.